So here is how you can edit the iPad home screen. Let me guide you through the whole process. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, first of all, if you want to, you can go to the settings and check out the home screen and app library settings. So there are things like, using large app icons instead of the regular ones, or, where the newly downloaded apps go to. So the point is that for editing the home screen, you have a little tab in the settings, but it doesn't really do much. In order to perform the edits, just be on the home screen, hold it down somewhere to enter the edit mode, and we can then perform the changes. Most likely you want to move things around so you can move apps to different positions, right? You can delete them from the home screen or from the iPad entirely, or you always have the ability to click on the edit button in the top left corner. This gives you the ability to do more things, right? So you can edit wallpaper, customize, edit pages, or add a widget. And the widget is likely the option that you are interested in, because this makes the home screen much different, because you can click on add widgets and all of the available apps which support widgets are going to appear. So you can add whatever you want, even resize the widgets and basically play with it until you are happy. One more thing though, once you are inside of the editing menu of the home screen, you can as well tap on the indicator of pages below and also choose which pages are going to be visible, right? So, the whole home screen pages can be reorganized. You can enable them, disable them, or delete them fully. And this gives you even more ways to customize and edit the iPad home screen. So I hope it makes sense. Obviously, you're going to have to play around with it to end up with the perfect result, but that is the blueprint. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.